naglabas po ng order ang ombudsman for you to comment na po and to submit your affidavit. Ano pong mangyayari, sir?
Sasagot kami. We will answer.
Sir, ano po yung lalamanin nitong sagot?
Sasagutin namin yung bawat issue na nilabas doon. Na everything that happened was within legal bounds. Lahat naman yan according to law. Kaya it's actually the complaint itself. Parang na-weirdan ako kasi hindi naman committee report eh. But why the haste? Why not wait for the committee report? Kasi that's a committee investigation. What was contained was a chairman's report. So that's a little strange. But anyway, we'll answer it.
But sir, do you think this would be enough for Senator Aita once na you submit your explanation?
Pagtapos ng election, tama na yun. Kasi parang in-aid lang yaman. Parang gusto lang talaga makakuha ng publicity tungkol sa election. Wala tayong magagawa.
Sir, yung kay Pulong po, meron din daw pong complaint na pinayod po dito dun sa parang
Grave threat.
Yeah, I was told about it.
There's also a CCTV, but Pulong is saying na baka daw fake po yung video.
No, we will look into it. We'll let the prosecutors handle it. Hindi naman ako nagdi-dictate ng gagawin ng prosecutor. We give enough leeway and very transparent ang process dito sa DOJ.
Sir, on Friday po si VP Sara is scheduled for a PI dito po sa DOJ.
Okay.
Meron po bang special preparations? Meron po bang yung kampo niya?
Well, she will have the PSG with her here. Open naman sila. Pwede naman sila pumunta rito to secure the premises. And it's going to be the call of the Prosecutor General. Hindi po ako nag-handle ng preliminary investigation.
Sir, Anson Ke, meron po ba tayong bagong update on that?
Anson Ke, I will be meeting with some of the police officers this afternoon. Makakausapin ako tungkol dyan. Tatanong ko na rin.
Possible pa ba, sir, na maibalik yung ransom money? Kasi may ilang kongresista na
Yun ang sinasabi ko sa police. Dapat hanapin nila yung ransom money at ibalik sa pamilya. That's very basic sa kidnapping cases. Okay?
Sir, mayroon kayong gusto bang idagdag? May nakakalimutan ba kami?
Hindi naman, ano lang yan. Hindi lang clear talaga yung procedure ng ombudsman. Anyway, we'll still answer it. Pero hindi malinaw ang procedure kasi dati, merong fact-finding yan, may rules na publish yan. Yung ngayon, parang hindi na dumaan sa fact-finding. We'll see. I will not insinuate anything. I'm just saying, yung rules na tinitingnan namin, parang hindi nasunod.